Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. So let's start. Chapter number 9, Revision of Algebras. Your today's e-works questions are question number 14, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7 and 8 part, and question number 15, 16, 17 and 18. Question number 14, first, second and 6th part is in your homework. Let's start. Question number 14, third part, x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 1, where these questions having statements solve the following equations. X minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Solution where 3 multiplied by 1 into 3 is equal to 3. X minus 5 is equal to 3. So minus 5 will going to another side of the equality. The 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The required answer is 8. X is equal to 8. 4 part is 4x minus 70 divided by 2 is equal to 1, where 2 is divided and first side. In first sides, when it is going to another side of equality, 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. 4x minus 70 is equal to 1 into 2, where 1 2 is equal to 2. 4x minus 70 is equal to 2. 4x is equal to 4x, same as it is. The minus 70 is going to another side of the equality, so 2 plus 70 is equal to 72. 4 is divided by 72, we have 18. 4 ones are 4 and 3 carry, and 4 eights are 32. Of the question number 14 is 3x minus x by 2 is equal to 5, where the LCM of 2 and 1 we have 2, and 2 into 1, 2 3s are 6 into x, 2 2s are 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 into x is equal to x. So 6x minus x is equal to 5x divided by 2 is equal to 5. 5 is as it is. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10, and 5 divided by 10 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. Part number 8 is equal to is x by 3 plus 3x divided by 2 is equal to 11. So solution is the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into x is equal to 2x. Where 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 9 into x. This is the LCM of 3 and 2. So 2 plus 9x is equal to 11x divided by 6 is equal to 11. Where 6 multiplied by 11 is equal to 11 into 6 is 66, where 11x is equal to 66. 11 divided by 66 is equal to 66 divided by 11 is 6. So the x value is 6. Question number 15 is the sum of present ages of Tahir and Masood is 18 years. 3 years ago, Tahir was 3 times as old as Masood. Find their present ages. So let's start the solution of question number 15. The sum of present ages of Tahir and Masood is 18 years. So suppose age of Tahir is equal to x, and sum of the present ages of Tahir and Masood is 18 years. Both of the ages is sum of the ages is equal to 18. So the Masood age is equal to 18 minus x. So when we calculate the age of Tahir and Masood, the Tahir age is x and Masood age is 18 minus x. Sum of ages means Tahir and Masood ages are going to be added. Minus x and plus x cancel out, so sum of ages is equal to 18. Next statement is 3 years ago. 3 years ago means जो टोटल आपके पास वैल्यू है, टोटल एज है x, वो आप उसमें से 3 years को माइनस कर देंगे. सो x minus 3. Tahir age 3 years ago is x minus 3, and the Masood age 3 years ago is 18 minus x minus 3. So according to the given condition, the condition is 3 years ago Tahir was 3 times as old as Masood. Means आपने यहाँ पे 3 times ताहिर की जो एज है 3 years ago जो एज थी ताहिर की, उसको इक्वालिटी में 3 times मसूद की एज को कंपेयर करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस 2 lines conditions. So according to the given condition, 3 times Masood age is equal to Tahir age. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15, minus x as it is. So x minus 3 also as it is. 3 into 15 is equal to 45, and 3 into x is equal to 3x minus as it is equal to x minus 3. Where we have to solve the x equations and the simple value. So minus 3x where x is going to another side of the equality, the plus x is going to minus x, and the plus 45 is going to minus 45 when it is going to the another side of the equality. So minus 3x minus x is equal to minus 4x, and minus 3 minus 45 is equal to minus 48, where minus and minus is this and x is equal to, as it is, minus 4 is going to divide minus 48, minus 4 is going to divide minus 48, so minus 48 divided by minus 4, where minus and minus cancel out, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, and 4 twos are 8, so x is equal to 18, where x is equal to 18, so Tahir age is equal to x, so we have directly x is equal to 12, Tahir age is equal to 12 years, and Masood age is 18 minus x. Put the value of x, 18 minus 12. So 18 minus 12 is equal to 6 years. So the next question is question number 16. A number exceeds another number by 5. The sum of the numbers is 19. Find the numbers. So let's start the solution of question number 6. A number exceeds another number by 5. So suppose one of the numbers is x, and the sum of the numbers, the sum of the numbers is 19. So the sum of the number is 19, and the other number is equal to 19 minus x. So according to the previous question, x plus 19 minus x plus x is cancelled out, so 19 is the sum of the both two quantities. So that's why we suppose one of the numbers is x and the other number is 19 minus x. According to the given condition, a number exceeds another number by 5. So a number exceeds means first number means x, and exceeds another number by 5. Exceeds mean exceeds increase कर रहा है, is equal to x minus 5 is equal to 19 minus x, where another number is 19 minus x, and x is first number, and x is exceed another number by 5. So according to the given conditions, x minus 5 is equal to 19 minus x, where x as it is, minus 5 is going to another side of the equality is become positive 5, and minus x is going to another side of equality is become plus x. So x plus x is equal to 2x, and 19 plus 5 is equal to 24, where 2 is going to divide 24, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so x is equal to 12, where x is the first number, x is equal to first number, so it's directly given to the answer 12, and the second number is 19 minus x. When we put the value of x 12, so we have 19 minus 12 is equal to 7. Question number 17 is the sum of 3 consecutive odd natural numbers. Odd means 1, 3, 5, 7, और द सम ऑफ 3 कंसेक्टिव ओड नेचुरल नंबर्स, इसका मतलब ये है, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर 3 कंसेक्टिव ओड नेचुरल नंबर हों और उन तीनों को आपस में ऐड किया जाए, सम किया जाए, तो उनका सम किसके इक्वल है? 39 के. फाइंड द नंबर्स मीन इन वो नंबर्स आपने कैलकुलेट करने हैं जिनका सम आपके पास 39 के इक्वल आए. सो द सोल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 इज सपोज the sum of 3 consecutive odd natural numbers, so means first odd numbers is 2x plus 1, where 2 into x is even number and plus 1 means odd natural number. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 2 into 2 plus 2 into second odd number is 2x plus 3, third odd number is 2x plus 5. So according to the given question statement, sum of the numbers means first number, second number and third number. इन तीनों को आपने क्या करना है? ऐड कर देना है. 2x plus 1 is the first number plus 2x plus 3 is the second number plus 2x plus 5 is the third number, which is equal to the 39 because the sum of these three numbers is equal to 39. 2x plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 3x, 6x sorry, plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9, which is equal to the 39. So 6x as it is plus 9 is going to the another side of the equality, so it's become 39 minus 9 is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 divided by x is equal to 6 is equal to x is equal to 5. So first odd number is 2x plus 1, where x is equal to 5. So put the value 2 into x is equal to 5 plus 1 as it is. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So the second number is 2x plus 3, where x is equal to 5 and 2 as it is. 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3. 2 5s are 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, and 2 into 5 is the third odd number, which is equal to the 2x plus 5, where x is equal to 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. The next question is question number 18. The difference of two numbers is 4. The sum of thrice the larger number and 4 times the smaller number is 61. फाइंड द नंबर्स। वही कह रही हैं कि अगर दो नंबर्स आप लें तो उनका अगर आप डिफरेंस निकालें तो वो 4 के इक्वल आए, और जो उनका सम हो लार्जर नंबर का वो 3 टाइम हो और स्मॉलर नंबर का 4 टाइम्स हो, वो किसके इक्वल आना चाहिए 61 के। और इसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, उनके नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। लार्जर नंबर इज x, difference of number, the difference of two numbers is 4, so the difference of number is 4. smaller number is equal to x minus 4. हम इसको इस वजह से चूज़ करें क्योंकि जब हम इन दोनों का डिफरेंस लेंगे तो हमारे पास डिफरेंस 4 के इक्वल आएगा। कैसे, ये देखें, लार्जर नंबर डिफरेंस स्मॉलर नंबर मीन्स द डिफरेंस ऑफ टू नंबर्स x minus x plus 4, where x is cancelled out by x plus minus and we have 4. So by this condition the larger number is x, difference of number is 4, and the smaller number is x minus 4. According to the given condition, the sum of thrice the larger number, thrice mean 3 times the larger number, 3 into x plus means sum, and 4 times the smaller number is 61. 4 times the smaller number is x minus 4 and the sum is 61, which is calculated by 3 into x 3x plus 4 into x x 4x plus minus 4 4 is 16 is equal to 61. 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x minus 16 is equal to 61, where 61 minus 16 is going to another side of the equality. It's become minus 6 plus 61 plus 16 is equal to 77. 7 divided by 77, so we get the answer x is equal to 11. According to the question condition, find the number. So larger numbers is equal to x, where x is equal to 11, so we have the answer larger number is equal to 11. Smaller number is equal to 1 minus is equal to smaller number is x minus 4, so x is equal to 11 and minus 4 as it is, so put the value of x, 11 minus 4, we get the smaller number is 7. So students, you have to note down these C work and homework questions on your notebook. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.